Okay, Cici, you want to see what's inside the giant egg today? Wow! What you got there? It looks like it comes with a fun play mat, a fence, piggies, and a tractor. Whoa! And of course the dirt. The cleanest dirt on planet Earth. With different pigs. Let's open it. Opening. Whoa, what's inside that box? It's really rattly. What's that? I wonder if that's the playmat. Whoa, this is the playmat. This is where piggies get to play. And there's another box, and inside this box, I think it's our dirt. There it is. Whoa, yeah. It's brown dirt. I think the piggies are inside this box, Cici. Let's see. What's that? I think that's the tractor. Woo! Tractor. And there's the fence and the little piggies. I see the little piggies. You have 2 piggies? And 3 piggies. We have all the pieces. Let's put the dirt and the fence and everything together. Yes, first the dirt. I'm gonna take it out. Whoa, look at all that dirt. What is it like, Cici? What does it feel like?
Like a Play-Doh.
It feels like Play-Doh? Yeah, this is just like the Kinetic sand, but it looks like dirt. You see? Woo!
It's
so squishy. It is. It's squishy, you guys. That's what it is. It's just like the Kinetic sand. And it kind of smells like dirt. It kind of smells a little stinky, but in a good way. So now we're gonna squish it down because this is our piggy dirt. And now we can set up our fence for the piggies to be in so they don't get out. And this piece has a little gate so the piggies can come in and out. Thank you, Cici. And this one goes here, baby. Other way. Yes. Yay! Okay, we built our fence around the dirt, and now the piggies can go in and play. This is their little home. Open the gate. Carefully. Go, little piggy. Go and play.
Come on.
And here's our tractor. Going around. I'm gonna go check on those piggies and see how they're doing. How are you doing, little piggies? You are playing in the dirt?
Yes.
How do you like it? Oh no, the tractor's inside the dirt pen. And we now have a real barn. And in front of the barn, there's the dirt. Hi, I'm a rooster. This is where I live, right here. I'm gonna go check out this awesome new dirt. Hi, I'm the cow. I heard there's some awesome new dirt here. Let's see it. Okay. Hi, Rooster. I'm coming. Hi, I'm the crazy kitty. Look at my eyes. Whoa, they pop out. And look, I make noise. Goofy kitty. Whoa, Cici, you're gonna pull the kitty's eye out. No, no, no.
Look at this.
Okay, let's go check out the new dirt.
Okay.
What do you think of the dirt? You like it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see who else which one of our other friends is here that we can invite to come over. What does the chicken say? Yes, okay, we have all our barn animals and they are going to all go look at the dirt. Yes, who's next? Okay, take the chicken. Hi, my name is... Oh, I fell down. Okay, let's try this again. Hi, my name is Chicken. I want to go look at the new dirt. Whoa, it's really fun and dirty in here. Look at this dirt. Okay, who's next? The pony's gonna go check out the dirt. Okay. Hi, my name is Pony. I'm Daisy. I want to go look at this new dirt everyone is talking about. Ooh, let's see. Oh yes, let me go on the tractor. Yes, she has a little daisy on her. Okay, Cici found Peppa. Cici Peppa's gonna love the mud. Let's see. Okay. Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. And I heard there's really fun mud. I want to go check it out. Go, Peppa, go. Look, all your friends are there. They're having so much fun. Oh, Cici, there's too many animals in here now. Do we have any more room? Okay, Horsey's gonna go check out the dirt. Hi, I'm a horse. I heard there's a secret party going on and it's in the dirt. I wonder what this party is about. I know it's a big secret. Knock, knock. It's a horse.
The horse come in.
Come in. Horsey. Shh, shh. You need to be quiet. This is a secret party. Yes, it's a secret party. Shh. I wonder what the big secret is. It's a secret party. Oh, it's like a sheep and a tractor in one.